Welcome to Sahara AS. So today in this session, we will be seeing the part 2 of permutation combination. In the last session, we have done some questions on permutation combination, but I have taken only the permutation. I have given you the formulas and I took 2-3 simple questions on permutation. And I said in the last class that I will be taking the questions wherein there will be repetition of letters. So that we will be seeing in today's class. So permutation and combination. This is part 2 of permutation combination. In the last class, we have seen how to arrange the letters in different format, and we have also seen how to form the different words like 4-letter word out of given 6-letter and something like that. Now what we need to do is how to do the same thing when digits are given. Suppose if my condition is I am giving you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 digits are given to you and you want to form a 4-digit number. Again, it is exactly same as when 7 letters are given, you are forming a 4-letter word, and when 7 digits are given and you are forming a 4-digit number. So both are one and the same. So what I can do is I can consider there are 7 options for the first place. Now one number is already used. Then coming to the second place, I will be having only 6 letters. Letters in case of word, and here in case of this one I can say it as digit. There will be 6 digit left over. Then I have used 1 digit here. I have used 1 digit here. Then coming to this one, I will be having only 5 digits left out. Coming to the next one, if 1 digit is done here, I have used 1 digit here, 1 digit here, and I have used 1 digit here. So coming to this one, I will be using 4 more possible digits will be available for the last place. So now the final answer will be just 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. If you multiply, you will be getting the answer. So this is how we need to deal with. And if you see in this set, the special character of set is that it will not allow any duplicates. So I can't take set as 1, 2, 3, 3. This is not allowed because set will not allow the duplication. So there is no point in dividing the number by 2 factorial, 3 factorial. Now let me show you what happens when the letters are repeated. When the letters are repeated, okay, before going to letters are repeated, what happens when 0 is included? Let's say the given numbers are or given digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the given numbers. Then I need to form a same 4-digit number now, but the only problem with this set is it is having a 0. Whenever I am having a 0, suppose if I form a number 0, 1, 2, 3, don't you think this is not a 4-digit number? 0, 1, 2, 3 can be written as 1, 2, 3. This is also 123 and this is also 123. So there is no point in writing 0 in the highest place value. So I don't consider this as a 4-digit number, which means when I am forming a 4-digit number, at the highest place value, we don't prefer to take 0, because if I take 0, it will no more be a 4-digit number, it will become a 3-digit number. So on that condition, there are 7 digits. If I count 0 as one of the digits, I have 7 digits, but in the highest place value, I can consider only 6 digits. Hope everyone understood why I am taking 6 there. Yes? Coming to the second point now, 1 digit is already used. 1 digit is used here. Then how many digits are left over? I am having total of 7 digits, out of which 1 digit is used. So remaining I will be having 6 more digits, because out of 7 digits I have used 1 digit. And however, I can still have 0 here, isn't it? 1023, is it a 4-digit number? 0123 is not a 4-digit number, but 1023 is a 4-digit number. 1203 is a 4-digit number. 1230 is a 4-digit number, which means I can have 0 in this place, I can have 0 in this place, I can have 0 in this place. But only condition is I can't have 0 in the highest place value. So here out of 7 digits, I can consider any 6 digits. Going further, I have used 1 digit here, I have used 1 digit here, I have used 2 digits out of 8 digits, so remaining 5 digits. And now I have used 1 digit here, so totally I have used 3 digits out of 7 digits, so remaining is 4 here. So answer for this question is 6 into 6 into 5 into 4. Hope everyone understood why I am not taking 7 at the first position. If any doubt, please let me know in the comment box. Going further, let me check what to do when the repetition of letters are there. Suppose if I consider the question is like this, how many arrangements, or let me take it as how many ways can the letters of the word, now let me take the word as Manohar, M-A-N-O-H-A-R, letters of the word Manohar be. Let me consider first sub question as arranged and second sub question as rearranged. So in these two conditions, again I have explained you the difference between arrangement and rearrangement in the last class. If I am not wrong, I have already explained the difference between arrangement and rearrangement in the last class. So let me try to do this question. So how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters are there. So I can use any of the 7 letters. So I need to, whenever there is arrangement and rearrangement, I have already discussed in the last class that n value should be equal to r value. So total letters are 7 and I need to arrange 7 letters. So answer is 7 here. Possibilities for the next one is 6. Possibilities for the next one is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now if I multiply 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, the answer will be 7 factorial. And we know that 7 factorial is 4050. But here what happens is, A is repeated twice. Let me take one example to understand this. If I consider the word doors, I can arrange this as D, or let me take R, D, O, S, O. No doubt this is one arrangement. Will you agree that this is one of the arrangement of doors word? Now if I try to rearrange them, if I swap these two O's like R, D, O, S, O, don't you think the word is not changed? If I write this O here and this O here, am I getting the different word or am I getting the same word? I will be getting the same word. So which means this cannot be counted as two different arrangement. It is one and the same. In the same way, in this question, that is Manohar, I have A repeated twice. So in order to correct this, there are some duplicates. If I rearrange this A here, this A here, it is still Manohar. It is not a new word. So to arrange this, there will be some duplicates whenever there are repetition of letters. Then we will be having the duplicates. In this 5040 also, I am having the duplicates. So to remove those duplicates, what we are supposed to do is, A is repeated twice. So you need to finally divide the answer by 2 factorial. Now you will be getting 5040 divided by 2. So answer for this question is 2520. This will be the final answer. Hope everyone understood why I am dividing the answer by 2 factorial. Because of repetition of A 2 times. Now let me check the next question. If I consider the next question like Manohara. This is the next word and the condition is same. You need to arrange or rearrange. Okay. In the last question, I have not explained you the rearrangement. Rearrangement, it is just that -1 as we have discussed in the last class. Rearrangement will be 2519. Hope this is clear to everyone. Coming to the next question. In how many ways you can arrange the letters of the word Manohara? Now I have taken one A extra. Now if you observe, the total number of letters is 8. So in how many ways you can arrange them? You can arrange them in 8 factorial ways, or else I can even write like this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can just multiply this. You will get the answer as 8 factorial. And what is 8 factorial? Is it 40320? So this will be the answer. Ideally this was supposed to be the answer. But if you observe here, A is repeated. A is repeated thrice. So you need to divide this answer by 3 factorial. So the final answer will be 40320 divided by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. Now if you cancel this, in 6 ones are table, we can directly cancel this. So 6 6 are 36, 4 carry, then 7, 1 carry, then 2, 0. So final answer will be 6720, which means the letters of the word Manohara can be arranged in 6720 different ways. Hope everyone understood why I am dividing the final answer by 2 factorial in the previous question and 3 factorial in this question. Because in the previous question, A was repeated twice. In this question, A is repeated thrice. Hope everyone are following this. Coming to the next question. Now let me show you what to do when more than one letter is repeated. For example, if I consider one more question like Manohara-N. Now I am taking the name as Manoharan. In the word Manoharan, if I consider this, how many words I should arrange? How many letters I should arrange? I need to arrange 9 letters as I have 9 letters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I am taking 9 dash here. Then I have 9 possibilities, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or else I can directly write this as 9 factorial, because 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is nothing but 9 factorial. And 9 factorial value is already known to us. How much is it? 362880. Hope till here it is clear to everyone. Now what happens? Now if you observe, A is repeated thrice. So I need to divide the answer by 3 factorial, and also N is repeated twice. So two digits or not digits here, 2 letters are repeated. So I need to again divide the answer by 2 factorial. So your final answer will be 362880 divided by 3 factorial answer is 6 into 2 factorial is 2. Now if you simplify this, you will be getting 6 6 again 0 here. Then 6 4s carry is how much? 4 carry, 6 8s 0. Again divide in 2 ones table, you will be getting 30240. So final answer for this question is 30,240. Hope this is clear to everyone. If any doubt, please ask. Let me know in the chat box if any doubt. If you are seeing in the YouTube live session, let me know in the comment section if any doubt. Now let me do one more question in the same way. If I take some random word as Manoharan, something like this. So I will be taking like this. First let me count the number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you can arrange these letters in 13 factorial ways. Now I need to divide it by how many times the repetition is there. A is repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So I need to divide the answer by 5 factorial. Again, if I consider N is repeated 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. So you need to again divide the answer by 3 factorial. And even if you consider H is repeated twice. So I need to again divide the answer by 2 factorial. So final answer will be 13 factorial divided by 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Hope this is clear to everyone. And as 13 factorial is a huge number, you need not have to simplify that. So you can keep the answer like this. But if the answer is simplified, then you need to further simplify this. If the answer is in terms of factorial, you need not have to simplify this further. Hope this is clear to everyone. Understood how to deal with repetition of letters and repetition of digits. So in the digits also you need to do the same thing. Is this clear to all? So this is all for this session. Thank you.